at Sri Shiva Vishnu Temple, Melbourne, Australia, on the occasion of our Sai's birthday.
Happy birthday to
you, Sai. Happy birthday to you,
Sai.
Sai Srikaran. God bless you, dear.
Thank you.